In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy more storage or iCloud storage on your iPhone. So if we go to our settings app, which is this gear icon here, and then we tap into general, we can see that if we go to iPhone storage at the top, that you're going to see what your iPhone has left as far as internal storage. So for me, my phone is 2 terabytes. So when I purchased my phone, I purchased 2 terabytes of storage in this device. Now with iCloud, which is something completely different, this allows you to back up your devices, store your photos and messages and all of that good stuff on iCloud. There are different packages. So if we go back here into our normal settings and then tap on our account at the very top and then go into iCloud, which is this option here. You should see at the very top where it says storage and how much you're using out of how much you've purchased. So if I tap into storage here, you can see that I have a family iCloud storage plan up to 2.2 terabytes. If you want to buy more storage, all you have to do right here where it says change storage plan, tap on change storage plan, and then you can see what you currently have active. So currently for me, I have the Apple One subscription, which gives me all of the Apple suite of software. And then I pay for iCloud Plus on top of that for an additional 2 terabytes of storage. If I tap into the iCloud Plus subscription here, you can see that I have 2 terabytes. And then if I go to see all plans by tapping that blue button there, you can see if I needed to, I could tap a different storage plan. And then you just go ahead and purchase it right here and there. So again, if your plan is getting up to max and you're almost going over, I would go ahead and upgrade your storage plan. So you may be on the 99-cent plan, which is the 50 gigabytes of storage. That will be wiped out quickly with backups and photos and all of that good stuff. And you may be saying, well, this doesn't help me because it doesn't increase the hard drive space of my device. There's no way you can do that. But what this does allow you to do is go into your photos. Like for me, if I go back to my device storage here, and I go to iCloud Photos, I have 200 gigs of photos, which means that once they're backed up, I can remove them from the device itself, and that will clear up hundreds of gigabytes of storage. So again, figure out what plan you have, and then go to change storage plan, and then go here to tap on the one you have, and go to see all plans to change to something else. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.